Hey guys, Jason Sharon here with Home Loans Inc. Here to talk to you about 5 things you have to understand to win a manual underwrite. A little bit about me. I'm Jason. I'm the broker owner of Home Loans Inc. I was in the Navy for 20 years from 93 to 2013. I was enlisted for 9 years and commissioned for 11. I became a loan officer in March of 15. Opened up this company in March of 18. I'm licensed in West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, Alabama, and Georgia. And a little weird thing about me is I'm a certified barbecue judge. Production accomplishments, I'm mostly VA loans, average about 30 units a month, which is significantly above the industry average. I'm 60% purchase, 40% refi. I've written and published several books: VA Mortgages Declassified, I Hate Renting, and Mortgages for Realtors. You can find them all for sale on Amazon. I've been interviewed by several national magazines, including Money.com, National Mortgage Professionals of America, and Housing Wire. What is a manual underwrite and what causes it? So let's do a little bit of teaching here. Every single file in a mortgage file in America gets sent electronically to Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac for an automatic underwriting review. Basically, it's a computer algorithm that slices and dices that file into multiple layers, assigns a risk factor to each layer, and then adds up all those risk factors and comes up with one of two responses. You either get approve or you get refer. If you get approve, it's an easy peasy loan. Give that guy his keys. Just make sure that all the documents in the file meet the requirements. All page numbers are there, no redactions, that kind of stuff. If it's a manual, if it's a refer, then that's what causes a manual underwrite. That means an underwriter, an actual licensed certified underwriter, has to review the loan and make a decision, a credit decision, on will you really pay back the mortgage or not. If you get an automatic approval, nobody has to make a decision. You're getting the loan. If you get a refer or a manual underwrite, someone actually has to make the decision of, hey, do we trust that guy to pay back this mortgage? 5 things you need to understand. That if you got these 5 things, I can guarantee you're going to get the loan. First one is no late payments in the last 12 months on your credit report. Zilch, zero, nada. Last 12 months have to be squeaky clean. In the last 2 years, you can have up to 2 30-day late payments. So maybe you missed one car payment, maybe you missed one credit card payment, and that's it. Last 2 years. Next thing is, whatever the mortgage payment is going to be, you need to have 2 times that in savings. So let's say the new mortgage payment is going to be $1,500 a month. You need to have $3,000 in your savings account or retirement account somewhere that shows that you've got a cushion. Fourth thing is stable job history. That means no gaps greater than 30 days in the last 2 years and no more than 2 job changes in the last 2 years. And then the fifth thing is verifiable rent history for the last 12 months, 24 months for a VA loan. So let's talk about the basis for these. So the credit items show that you've been responsible for the last 2 years, that your bad credit history is behind you. You've developed the responsibilities and the habits to pay your bills on time. The savings portion of it shows that you're not living paycheck to paycheck, that you actually have a responsible budget that you're living by. It shows the employment part is you're stable, you're not going to lose your job, you're not a job hopper, that you have a high probability of continuing to make the same amount of money to pay back that mortgage. And then the fifth thing, the rental history shows that you can handle a housing expense, that if you are late on your rent, then you're probably going to be late on your mortgage, and then that's going to disqualify you. So those are the basis for it. We're going to find these guidelines. You Google this, you're not going to find this anywhere. This is from 6 years of experience. Last year, I closed 40 manual underwrites that met these requirements. So 40 loans for a person is above average for the industry. 40 manual underwrites is unheard of in the industry. Because I have my understanding of what the requirements are and I apply this to these type of situations, then I can get you approved. What if you don't meet these requirements? You might be asking. You may not meet one of these. Don't despair. If you meet the credit part, you may have compensating factors to overcome the others. Give me a call anyway. States I'm licensed in that can help you out: West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, Alabama. If you're not in one of these states, you can call me anyway. I'll connect you with one of my buddies from another state that would be just as good for you as I am. Hopefully this helped you out. Jason Sharon, Home Loans Inc. Give me a call, 843-LOW-RATE. Thanks. Have a great day.